Hello children. In the last class we studied about present tense. Present tense denotes an action happening at the moment. It is used to express habitual actions and to state facts or universal truths. As we had discussed in the previous class, there are three forms of verbs: present tense, past tense, and past participle. In this video, we are going to learn more about past tense. As the word past in past tense means something happened before. Therefore, we use past tense to talk about things happened in the past, that is, things already done. For example, the children visited the zoo last week. We studied present tense yesterday. Jerry dried his clothes in the sun. In all these examples, the action is already over. Hence, we have used past tense. Now, let us see how do verbs change in past tense. Let us look at the first category or group of words. Here, the verbs are ending with the letter E in the present tense. And in such verbs, we add the letter D to make it into past tense. For example, live in the present tense will change to lived when we change it into past tense. Love will become loved. Agree will become agreed. Die will become died. And invite becomes invited. Now, let us look at the second category or group of words where the second last letter is a consonant and the last letter is Y. In such verbs, the letter Y changes to I and you add ed to make it into past tense. Let us look at the examples. For example, try will become tried in the past tense. Here we have replaced the letter Y with I and we have added ed to make it into past tense. Similarly, carry becomes carried, dirty becomes dirtied, hurry becomes hurried, and cry becomes cried. There are few verbs where you just add ed to the main verb to change it into past tense. Let us understand this with few examples. For example, if you have the verb cross, in the present tense, it will change to crossed. So crossed. Similarly, jump will change to jumped, lift will change to lifted, walk will change to walked, laugh will change to laughed. There are few verbs which do not follow any rule and so they are called as irregular verbs. For example, become in the present tense will change to became, begin in the present tense will change to began, bite will change to bit, bring will change to brought, build will change to built, come will change to came, do will change to did, drink will change to drank, drive will change to drove, eat will change to ate. Now, children, let us recap what we learned today through this song.
Am and was, are and were, do and did, go and went, eat and ate, have and had. Please check your spelling. Please check your spelling. Listen, listened, look and looked, walk and walked, play and played, paint and painted, watch and watched. Please add ed. Please add ed. Chat and chatted, clap and clapped, skip and skipped, hop and hopped, pat and patted, stop and stopped. Please add T or P. Please add T or P. Tidy, tidied, dry and dried, try and tried, fry and fried, study, studied, cry and cried. Please add IED, know why IED. Give and gave, sing and sang, drink and drank, swim and swam, draw and drew, ride and rode. Please change the vowel. Please change the vowel.
Now it's time to test how much we have learned. So children, do the given exercise on page number 26 of your CFS. Complete the following sentences using the simple past tense form of the verb. The first one, I dash him yesterday, and the options given are saw, was seeing, had seen. The second one, I dash his letter yesterday, and the options are received, was receiving, had received. The third one, she dashed school last year. The options given are will leave, and left. The fourth one, last night I dashed sleep well. The first one is don't. The second option is didn't. And the last option is hadn't. The fifth one, he dashed asleep while he was driving. The options are fell, falls, and was falling. The sixth one, I dashed a new bicycle last week. The options are bought, had bought, and have bought. The seventh one, we dashed our breakfast half an hour ago. The options are finished, have finished, had finished. The eighth one, when I was in the US, I dashed Chicago, Boston, and California. The options are visited, was visiting, would visit. Now the ninth one, I dash an old classmate of mine in the library. The options are saw, was seeing, had seen. The tenth one, she dashed that she would not go. The options are says, said, and had said. I hope you have completed this exercise. Now I want you to do the other exercise given. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. The driver dashed the house at 6:30 a.m. and the verb given is leave. The second one, the lady dashed a beautiful painting and the verb given is buy. The third one, Amol dashed his pencil yesterday and the verb given is lose. The fourth one, the policeman dashed the thief and the verb given is arrest. The fifth one, the doctor dashed the patient and the verb given is examine. The sixth one, the peon dashed the bell and the verb given is ring. The seventh one, I dash a storybook and the verb given is drop. The eighth one, my friends dash their word and the verb given is keep. The ninth one, the horse dashed the dog and the verb given is kick. The 10th one, Kriti dashed the glass and the verb given is break. The 11th one, we dashed to Agra yesterday and the verb given is go. The 12th one, the little boy dashed his homework neatly and the verb given is do. The 13th one, my aunt dashed a tasty cake and the verb given is bake. Now let's come to the last one. The workers dash a spacious house and the verb given is build. I hope children that you all have understood past tense. Thank you.